Now I'm gonna, what you call it, braiding them together.
You're braiding them. You're braiding the paste to the wire.
Okay. So they can't come unconnected when I'm trying to solder them. Or when the heat hits it, it doesn't come disconnected. Okay. To make it simple, I'll just.
And you're dipping it in the paste.
Just a little bit.
You're dipping the braid in the paste.
Right.
Gotcha.
Just a little bit. You don't want any excess because it'll drip. As soon as it gets hot, it'll drip.
And then you're gonna start welding. So now you're welding the solder onto the wire.
Right.
That's how you're getting it on.
Now I'm gonna heat.
For a 1-man operation for what 2 hands?
Right.
Okay, so you're using a braiding technique.
Okay. Now my end is now covered in solder. And as you can see, that's all solder.
Alright.
And I've eased to the end of it, bam. Now I don't have to have that anymore. But it's hot. Now this will solder to whatever you want to. You can dip it again if you're going to be putting it somewhere.
It was braiding technique, huh?
Right. Now we're going to put it up here. Alright. Now I'm going to take this and heat it up.
The pad or the wire?
The wire. And it's not going to heat up as well with the tip because sometimes it just doesn't push enough heat immediately. So I'll use the side of it a little bit like that.
Okay.
And touch it. To the